So if you look at the business analysis community, right, and that's what I was talking about inside. So the boundaries between business and IT are graying out faster than before. So the role of a business analyst becomes squarely important in helping bridge business needs and the opportunities that technology can unlock, and making sure that we have the right use case and the most impactful use cases of technology that's brought back to the table to improve business value. So I think it's exciting and great times ahead for your community. Just look at the turnout and the attendance so far. I think there's a lot of excitement and passion among the people in trying to understand the role of a BA and how do we improve the impact of what a BA can bring to an organization. So I think that mindset and culture is very, very important, and as long as we can foster that and grow that in this community, it's going to be good times ahead for you guys.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, cheers. Thank you for the time.